This is WPP number 14. So our problem tells us that two cars are going to start off at the same lot, represented by this point over here. And since it tells us one car is going to go north 32 east, another car is going to go south 57 east, we're going to have to draw our north, east, south, west line in order to draw out these angles. So for the one car is going to go north 32 east, so 32 to the right, so that represents east. And for the next one, it's going to go south 57 east, so go down, up, and again to the right because we're going east. So this is going to be 32 degrees, 57 degrees. And then we connect it to triangles, since it's going to be the part that we're going to be looking for. So this is the part that tells us how far apart the two cars have been traveling after 2 hours. And it tells us that the one traveling at north 32 east is going at 30 miles per hour. But since we're looking for at 2 hours, we're going to have to multiply that by 2. So this is essentially going to be, this part right here is essentially going to be 30 times 2, which is going to equal 60 miles per hour. So that means this bottom part, which was at 1 hour, is supposed to be 42. You multiply by 2 and it's going to actually be 84 miles per hour. Okay, and so this triangle is going to be a side angle side triangle, but we're missing the angle that's supposed to be inside the triangle. But since this is a line and it adds up to 180, and we have the other two parts and we're just missing this part, we can add up these two angles and then subtract that from 180 to get the missing angle that we're looking for. So 32 plus 57 is going to equal 89. So 180 degrees minus 89 degrees is going to be 91 degrees. So the angle right here to complete our triangle is going to be 91 degrees. And since this triangle is a side triangle, we're going to use the law of cosines to find what this side is going to be. So in order to find out, we're going to set that as x squared. So we're going to use the law of cosine. So x squared equals 60 squared plus 84 squared minus 2 times 84 times 60 cosine of 91. So when you put that all into your calculator and you take the square root, x is going to be 104.1 miles. So by the time it's 2 hours since those cars left, the distance between them is going to be 104.1 miles.